It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're on board our 360 Sea Race Sundancer. It's a 36-footer. It's in beautiful shape. Bigger boat than a 34, not much smaller than a 38. Nice wide beam boat, very, very comfortable. Nice seating with a custom table that wasn't stock. There's the factory table, and you can drop it into a big lounge, U-shaped lounge, which I have up right now because they're going to open up the engine room compartment for you to view shortly. So you got double seating. You got a single helm station with a bolster seat for the helmsman to drive, and then you have a passenger right beside it so you can sit side by side with your partner, your wife, whoever it be that you're out boating with. Great visibility from this boat. Nice and bright. You got white canvas on the boat. Nice clear plastics all the way around so you can have good visibility out of the boat. Has a little wet bar out back here, as well as a refrigerator underneath this locker here, and lots of storage. So that's our cockpit video for our 36 Sea Race Sundancer. Give me a call, 604-708-1980. We'd love to talk to you about the boat, show you the boat. And we're going to do a startup video and an inside video for you too. These boats have that window, the electric window opening actuator, so you can get nice ventilation when you're operating the boat. It's got a bow winch spotlight, fender holders. Nice clean boat. 36 Sea Race Sundancer 2003, realistically priced, available for your viewing today. Please give me a call. Thanks again for watching.